How to Openline a cell phone. Nearly all mobile service providers lock their branded phones to their own network to offset the discounts they give to contracted customers. To Openline a cell phone means to unlock the phone so it can connect to other mobile networks. Opening a cell phone line requires the unlock code that is unique to your phone. Turn on your cell phone. Dial *##06# and press the send button. Write down the 15-digit International Mobile Equipment Identity (IMEI) number that shows up. Contact your mobile service provider and ask for the unique unlock code to your cell phone. Provide them with the IMEI number and an email address to send the unlock code and instructions to. Follow the unlock code instructions when you receive the email. Carefully enter the unlock code when prompted and restart your cell phone. Remove the old SIM card from your cell phone. Insert the SIM card for your new mobile network to begin using your Openline cell phone.